guys. Done your Instagram MELICASKYLIFE in the building.
Hi.
Yo!
What a damn!
Welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna eat chewing gum half full as usual.
Chewing gum give guess.
I'm gonna eat chewing gum like.
I'm like, my glasses up too.
I don't hear my boss.
Skylife. I want a damn!
Hear my boss, but the Melica take them from my ears. After she give me chewing gum.
I want chewing gum to give gas.
So guys, we're on our way in town.
Hello, Miss Turner.
Turner.
Jesus.
Jamaica and America is the same unscrupulous driving.
No, especially woman. Woman make me look bad. Me can't. Me a woman, but Jesus, me.
She's a good driver. She drives very well. This man is the one unscrupulous.
Jamaica, me learn to drive. People, no make them fool you. At Jamaica, me learn to drive.
So we are on our way in town. As I said, I want to return something to a store that I bought. Wrong size. So I'm gonna return that.
And go all about.
And then we're gonna be
to the Bronx.
Up and about.
Famous Bronx.
We're going to the Bronx. We're going, I don't know what type of place, but I'll be vlogging, so you guys will see when I get there and stuff. I didn't vlog yesterday, but I went to the park and worked out. I uploaded that to the channel, so you can go ahead and check it out. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Share on like Facebook and soccer, you know, some of the panels up there and things. But today is a beautiful day outside.
She can't rain up here, yeah. From she coming the hot. Just nice.
And tell me say how much you go hot and rain. When I come up here, I'm on this slight verge of being cold. But it's not hot, it's just cool and everything. So you would that trick me. Today is what's this day again? Why?
Today the 23rd.
23rd of
hold on.
If I struggle with the date anytime.
I remember the date, the 23rd.
23rd, today's a Thursday. So we chilling in these streets and stuff. So keep it like a Skylife TV.
Monday. I have from now till Monday, so we'll be on the road from now till Monday. Go back to Tuesday.
And I'll go for the work again.
Not night. Not night. The daytime there road.
They didn't know that dress. I want this in the cancer. No sound.
Just on the ear.
I'm married. Till I get married. I want photo play.
Get married with. I want you just in salon.
So then just dramatic.
Huh?
Myself in the cancer.
So then just dramatic. Maybe she have something.
Anyways, look on the road.
Yeah, come here, come mess with me American people. Not gonna do it. I'll get my coffee now and check. That man will take for drive over. You want something to eat? You must want something to eat. You know if I'm morning.
I eat food.
What you eat?
Curry and rice.
Oh, you get up here? Blig out that curry there.
I love curry, you know.
The meat. Let me buy meat at Bronx.
So guys, right now we're in the Bronx by the Yankee Stadium. Well, a lot of people not out here right now, but Yankees are there. We chilling. So we are so we are gonna one lady I take one unscrupulous picture. Why may I believe people them? Maybe I'm gonna take some picture, but I'm not sure if they can come out good because the sunlight is so bright. Oh, that lighting though. Yes, so that we don't know we are going come on find me, can't let me down. I mean, so I'm not come back, you know. Nah, laugh. You really tell me down, I'm not come back. What? I go back. I joke, man. I go back to my yard. I go back to my yard.
You can come up by Jamaica. You're done.
We just call work and tell him, so boy, I don't know, so I not come back.
Nah, boy, you know, so me buy the hotel. You mean I not come back? Buy that frig. Sorry, vlog.
So
no cursing in your vlog.
we're heading to.
I don't know. You go back. You buy that hotel.
I don't know. Me heading on the street now. So. We're there in New York, Bronx. Link up. We are dead.
Link up radio. I am
and then now we move out of my waistline and go in my foot right also. So that's why I'm going to work out yesterday, because when I work out yesterday, I stretch it out so that the pain is gone. The pain gone out of phone. I think I jet lag.
Oh.
Because I did Google it. See I symptoms of
clot.
Yeah, like.
Could be a clot.
So when I stretch out yesterday, it gone now. This is the pain them I feel now. I find it squat them and something. Where you go? You eat bread. So we didn't know, Aunt Lisa. Where are we?
In the Bronx.
Oh, we're still in the Bronx.
We are in White Plains Road, people. I saw the whole of Jamaican thief them there.
Jesus. What me I do right now?
No, I don't mean that thief sign. This is what they do. Then go to Manhattan and all them in a mall.
Oh, you store them?
Go in a store.
Or train up on?
When you want name brand to buy, come to White Plains Road. You want name brand cheap, come to White Plains Road.
Oh, I read they sell?
Yes, the whole of them in them big car I drive up and down and sell stolen goods.
You don't want nothing right to buy it.
Yeah, people buy it, sell like a hell. Especially me up on my hairdresser place.
Yeah.
They right up the road that's all.
I think New Jersey are here.
No, sir, I don't know. I just got it there.
Excuse me.
One girl I drive a Lexus, big Lexus Jeep. And when you see she come out with all 3 bag of name brand.
Yeah.
Right.
Right now, the train apart. Something there. Right now we are going get something to eat. We need to get something because them here unscrupulous for me. We have to we'll get something to eat. Then we'll go on mall up the road and thing.
Jackie, man, can black the way so you don't want to buy nothing?
I know, sir. So. What kind of food? A Jamaican food? Okay. Okay. I'm sure need food. Spinach rice and barbecue chicken. A jerk pork that? Or chicken over there? They look like pork. No, pork. Yeah. I look like a
What is
I want the barbecue chicken taste good.
everything in it tastes good.
What kind of fried rice is? Chicken fried rice?
Fried rice and maybe jerk. Yeah, jerk fried rice. This is somebody put up the pan.
You know, guys, when they care about
They do
jerk,
have jerk fried rice.
but that the one that tastes good, them about. Like about this jerk fried rice. In America here, and people taste it. And like, say that it's
two best places to eat. Bronx and Brooklyn. I don't know where else to eat.
the jerk fried rice thing, big thing on social media.
They do have jerk fried rice.
We don't white man for this. Like they must say what white man know about jerk chicken.
When you put your pants on the one woman and call for jerk, and she can say, no, what's up? They do have jerk fried rice.
Anyways guys, I'm going to eat the food and all things, so I'll check back in with you guys later on today. Let's bundle. We are at We are at Macy's at Cross City Mall. Cross County Mall. Dancing, huh? We love you. In these streets. We love you. Dolce & Gabbana perfume. It smells good, but you know, we can't take scented stuff sometimes, you know. Trigger me off. No sign of.
Oh.
I have it really bad.
You will break up my skin, that's why I'm not to spray for me.
That looks so cute. Dead. Eek. Don't follow me. Guys. Guys, I'm in Forever 21 right now, trying to get some stuff. I'm really feeling I'm like in here. Now I feel the clothing and stuff. Now I feel the clothing. For some reason I just know I like what them are going to do now. Going to H&M to get my stuff. So guys, I'm look so shine. Come I don't hear this morning, come here and enjoy.
Coming a big bride from me, I left on sunset night.
We're just leaving the mall from way in the day now. We're gonna make a run to Walmart. But this is where I'm gonna end the vlog for today. Because nice to come down and be things that we can't bother around. But please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. And I'll be doing a giveaway soon for my Skylife hat. For my Skylife hat. If you want to win a Skylife hat, I'm going to put it together what you guys would need to do to enter. Hat them look real cute. We need to get some more hats.
I
have to get some more hats. Yeah, so you can win a Skylife hat, a courtesy of Melica Skylife. I'm gonna tell you guys how to win the hat. Also, I'll be doing a Q&A pretty soon. If you guys are interested in a Q&A, comment below Q&A, because I know you guys might have some questions for me, because from I've been on YouTube, I never do a Q&A yet, and people always ask me to do a Q&A. So that is in the making.
You mean people Q&A? You do your own Q&A. So you ask one question.
No sir. Like one question. What me know today?
You do a Q&A like a sister day with you and Punky.
Oh, that's why you want sister tag. I don't want Q&A. I want tag.
And the one where Chantel when they ask me a question.
That's the one next tag. Q&A. At them
ask a question.
Yeah. I want Q&A same now, but I want tag thing that. But you guys are gonna send in your questions and I'll answer them as best as possible. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, because we'll be on a road tomorrow, so I'll be vlogging then and stuff. Yeah, the Skylife way. Later.